Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this month's Fold It Club with you. But first, I need to say a little whoops. I made a mistake. Last month on your Apple Bushel Fold It Club, I said you were going to get 3 stencils. Woohoo! Free stencil, free stencil. Well, guess what, my friends? I forgot to order the 3rd stencil. You did not get this stencil. I am so sorry. But guess what? I got them in stock. They will be going in this month's shipment. So you will be getting this stencil that I forgot to give you. I'm so sorry. You will be getting it in this month's shipment. Okay, so I just wanted to give you that heads up right now. Now, this one, we're starting to talk about Christmas. Christmas. So this is a Christmassy start set. And it is called, are you ready? Christmas Lights Fold-it. And let me just tell you, I had so much fun designing this one. So much fun. Now, let me show you a sample of it really quick, just so you can get an idea. You can do, in all honesty, you could do the 2 at the top or the 2 at the bottom. I like the 3 at the bottom and the 2 at the top, but look at how fun that swirl. Don't you just love that swirl? I know, I love the swirl. Now, I also gave you extra dies. There's extra layering dies in here because I wanted you to be able to mix and match and add the extra layer or not. So that is up to you. So there's lots of options. Something else I want to tell you. Which is really, really interesting. Well, I'll tell you in just a second. Now, you're going to get your handy dandy postcard. You're also going to get this fun stencil. Look at this. It is a whole background of Christmas lights. So you're getting the string and you're getting the lights. Now, how does Stephanie do that? You're supposed to get 2 stencils. How does Stephanie do that? Well, here is the stencil for the lines, right? And I even made sure that the little etching is on there so you can make sure you line up everything. And here is the stencil, and make sure you can read Stamps of Life at the bottom for all of the little lights. So you can do different colors, right? Yay, so fun, so fun. But I'd like to also give you, so you're supposed to get 2 stencils, 1, 2. I also like to give you a background stencil as well. Or some other, this is the background stencil. I also like to give you a stencil to decorate the product, the actual item, right? So you're getting a free stencil this month also. So technically you got a free stencil, which you're gonna get now, free stencil with your Apple Bushel. And this month you're getting a free stencil also. You know, I just like to give you free stuff. I hope you don't mind. Here we go. This one is really fun. I had so much fun designing this one because the lights, you can mix and match. They are all the same size. I had them go like stripes and dots to mix and match if you just wanted to do one. I also added 2 other patterns because I wanted you to have lots of options. So in all honesty, there are 4 different patterns that you can mix and match and do. You could do all of them the holly, or you could do all of them the stars. That is up to you. So you are getting a free stencil this month and last month's free stencil in the shipment. Oh, crazy. I know. Can't make this stuff up. Now, a lot of you, most of you, have also added on the stamp set that matches. So back in the day when we first started the Fold It Club, we did not have the option to add on a stamp set. But I kept getting all of our fun Fold-its, and I'm like, but wait, I wish I had stamps that matched. So I came out with the add-on set. So here you go. It is a 4x4 stamp set with words. But I also include a small version of the Fold-it, which is really fun. So there's the small version, perfect for the back, perfect to decorate your envelopes. We have Merry Christmas, Let's Get Lit. That's funny. Christmas lights are my favorite color. I love that one. Let your Christmas spirit shine. May your holidays always shine bright. And then merry and bright. So perfect puns, perfect phrases for your Christmas lights. Now, one more thing I have to tell you because this is really, really, really funny. So I was getting all of our design team samples, and let's show you a couple. So here's a cute sample. I love that, all popped up nice. Look, all the foam tape in there for all the extra pieces, right? Gorgeous. Here's another one. Oh, Cheryl must have made these because she loves her 3D ink. Look how fun that is. Oh, perfect example of shaped card or on an A2 card. The choice is yours. You could do both, right? Now, I got these samples, love it. Got this fun one, love it. Look at that hologram paper, love it. Let me show you one more. Got this sample, love it. Look at the fun stencils. And then I thought to myself, this is after I got all the samples. I said to myself, Stephanie, and I said, what? And I said, don't you wish there was that cute little filament thing that goes in the light bulbs that's just like a little swirly or something to go in the light bulbs to add even more to the design? And I said, well, yeah, I'd love that. But you already got all the samples back from the design team. And you need to order those dies like yesterday, right? To get them in time. And so I told myself, do it. So I did. What did I do? I added dies my design team doesn't even know about. Are you ready? Look at this. So here we go. There's a little tiny there and a little there to go on the inside of the lights to add just the little, you know, the little filament thing or whatever is in the regular light bulbs. Those just little things, right? Yeah, we need those. So I threw them in there. Design team doesn't even have them. Nobody else knows about them except you now. And yeah, so none of my samples have those, but those are extra. Now on the postcard, Dina was able to make up a pretend version on the postcard so you can see them in action being used. But I had to have them. I had to do it. So I hope you don't mind. I gave you 2 extra dies and you got a free stencil. I hope you're okay with that. I know, I'm in that, I know. So now, here are the fun samples with the pattern background, which I absolutely love. With the hologram, you guys, look at this hologram paper. Is that just to die for? Don't you just love it? I know, I love it, love it, love it. Now, let's look at a couple more samples because what if you don't want to do a shaped card? What? Look at that. A2 in size. Look at that. That Merry and Bright, that's in the add-on set. Look at the back. Add the little back stamp. Isn't that so fun? Look at how gorgeous that is using the stencils. I love that. Or a 5x7 card. Look at how gorgeous. Glitter paper on there. Look at how beautiful that is. I absolutely love that. Isn't it so pretty? I just love that. Now, or you could do a shaped card. Choice is yours. Now, I always say, scrapbook page, shaped card, A2, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, standard card size in the United States, right? Or on a 5x7, or on a regular A2, just turn it a little bit different and do it a different way. Or what about what Michelle did? And she made a banner out of felt. Isn't this gorgeous? She has a little tag, and I think it got messed up and gotta move it around a little bit. But look at that, a cute little tag. And look at this gorgeous banner, all made out of our wool felt. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this. What a sweet little gift to give to somebody. It's so stunning. So, my friends, you cannot buy this on my website. You cannot get this. If you are not in the Foldit Club, you are not going to be able to get this unless you join the Foldit Club right now. If you join the Foldit Club in next month, you can't get this. If you join the Foldit Club in 6 months, you can't get this. Sign up now to get this now, because once it's gone forever, and I know you'll be sad. You are going to want this set. You get a free stencil. You get 15% off my entire website every single time you order, every single day, every single item. Crazy. Add on the stamps. You're going to want the matching stamps. Those of you that are in the Foldit Club, Kenny's getting them out to you right away, ASAP. If you're not in the Foldit Club, now is your chance to join to get this one. If you don't join, you can't get it, and you will miss out on this one. You cannot get this on the website, okay? Go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch the video. It talks about all the different clubs that we have. And also, lots more ideas on our website. Every item I sell has an idea gallery. There's over 40,000 ideas. So all of these samples I showed you are on our gallery, and many, many more. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com, and I will see you there. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.